Hey everyone, Maxime here from MaximeW.com and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to start an online business the easy way. Now when I say the easy way, it doesn't mean that this is a get-rich-quick scheme. In fact, if you want to build a real and a successful online business, it's going to require time, money and energy from you. Nothing worthwhile in this life, in this universe, can happen to you by a click of a finger. There is no magic pill, and I believe that with the right information, with the right tools, with the right skills, and surrounding yourself with the right people, then anyone can start and grow a profitable business online. And this is what I've been able to do for myself, and I've built an online business that allowed me to travel the world for the past 2 years now. And not only that, but I've got invited by Dean Graziosi, Russell Brunson and Tony Robbins, and I actually received this award on stage from them for being the first time affiliate of what is the biggest launch in history right now. And so the information that you're gonna get inside of this video are really the solid foundations upon which I've built my own online business, and I want to share this with you because I truly want more people to succeed. I want to have an impact on the world and show you guys how you can do this in a simple and easy way, because so many people are struggling out there, and I found a way for me to build what I think the easiest and the fastest way to build an online business, and this is what I want to show you guys right now. So how to start an online business the easy way. Let's get started. So growing a business is like gardening, and to grow a garden, to grow your own food, the first thing that you need to do is to plant a seed in a fertile soil, and all you have to do from there is nurture it with some water and wait until this plant is ready to harvest. And we can find this exact same thing in business, except that instead of a seed we have a product that we put on a platform, and we nurture this platform with people to buy this product. Okay, and this is what I call the 3P formula. And basically when you have a product hosted on a platform ready for people to buy, this is when you have real solid foundations. So the first thing we need to build our solid foundations is a product. And the easiest and the fastest way to have a product is not to create your own product. Don't try to, honestly, it's going to require a lot of time, a lot of money, a lot of energy, and a lot of trial and errors, and you have to do basically everything yourself. And if you want to make money online really fast, you have to use affiliate marketing, because affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. And what it means is that basically you find a product that you like, you find a product that you are comfortable to talk about, and you share it, you promote it with other people. And when these people are buying this product, you make a commission, so you earn a piece of the sale. Okay, so here's what it looks like. So at the top, you can see on your screen right now, you have the company, and this company has already built a product. All you have to do is to subscribe to their affiliate program. When you subscribe and when you join this affiliate program, you are going to receive a link. And this link, you have to put it on your platform. And I'm going to show you exactly how to build your platform and what it looks like in the next few minutes. And once you have a product hosted on a platform, all you have to do is to talk to people who can have their problems solved by this product. And so these people will go to your platform and buy the product from this company, and you are going to make money doing this. And not all products are created equals, and not all companies are good to work with. So the first thing that you need to select when you choose your product is to make sure that this product is already selling in the marketplace. As I said, you don't want to reinvent the wheel. You don't want to be the first one, because when something is selling in the marketplace, it's a proof that there is a demand, and that people are actually looking for this information, for these products. And you just want to go with the flow. You don't want to reinvent the wheel, and you just want to profit from what's already working. And the second thing is that this product actually has to solve a problem and give a lot of value. And what I mean by that is that this product must be a high ticket product or a recurring product. So from my experience, no products that I've bought that were low ticket products actually moved the needle in my life or in my business. Because if you want a real information, if you want, like, and this is basically why you don't want to create your own product, because it requires time, it requires money, energy to put together like a real strong product that is solving other people's problem. And being in business is actually being in the business of solving problem. And if your product doesn't solve problem, then you're not going to make money and you're not going to have any clients. So focus on high ticket products that gives a lot of value and that solves really big problems. So making more money, improving relationships, and getting in better shape. Basically, these are three biggest human needs. So money, relationship, and your health. And also recurring products, because you just have to make the sale once and you get paid for it on a monthly basis. Now, the company must have a good reputation, because you're going to attach your name with this company, and if this company sells crap, and if this company doesn't really take care of their clients, then you're gonna attach your name to that. And if you want to be in business for the long run, you absolutely don't want to do that. And finally, the company must give you all the marketing assets that you need to promote their products. There is no one better than the person that has created the product to make the marketing and to sell these products for you. So all you have to do is to find a company that gives you the entire sales page, the video assets, the sales page itself, basically all the marketing assets for you to create your platform and share it with people, so you can help other people make money and refer new clients to this company. So now that we know how to select a product, we have to create a platform. So how do we do that? And to create a platform, we are going to use what's called a sales funnel. And a sales funnel is a buying process that companies lead customers through to purchase their products. It's basically a step-by-step process that leads to a sale. And here's what it looks like. So a sales funnel transforms a visitor into a lead. So a lead is a visitor that actually gave you their information, their email address or their first name, and you can follow up with them. And this lead into a prospect. So this means that they're receiving value, and they're getting more and more interested in your business. And by the value they receive, we want to transform this prospect into a actual paying customer. And a sales funnel basically does this entirely for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And I'm going to show you how to build this right now. So this is something that I've created that I call the Freedom Funnel. And I'm going to send you another training on this. So for the sake of this example, here's what it looks like. So we select an affiliate product that we want to promote, high ticket product or recurring product. And basically this entire part is already done for us. So the company has a sales page with video, with image, with all the checkouts and everything already built. And all we have to do is to actually create the platform. And on this platform, it's just a single 2 pages website that, so the first page recovers the first name and the email address of the person, and the second page gives actual, like, present yourself and gives an introduction of the product that you are selling as an affiliate. And if they don't buy right away, if they don't watch the video, they're gonna receive different kinds of emails on the back end, and so they can be redirected to any of your affiliate products. And the benefits as well from using affiliate marketing is that you can promote as much product as you want. Basically, you can, so as soon as you have someone email address, you can send them as much emails as you want and as many offers as you want. But I'm going to get there right now, because once we have a product hosted on the platform, all we need to do is to take people to this freedom funnel, to this sales funnel, to transform them from a visitor into a lead, into a customer. So now that we have a product and a platform, how do we get people to buy our products? And so there are 2 different kinds of traffic. And basically, traffic is the people that are landing on your website or your sales funnel. And so the first type of traffic is organic. And so people search on Google to find a problem to their solution, and boom, they find your blog post, they find your YouTube videos, or they already follow you on social media and you make a post and they click on your link and they visit your website or your funnels. This is what we call organic traffic. And the second type is paid traffic, and this is when you actually pay different platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram to actually put a post, a video, an image, text, whatever, in front of a certain category of people, and these people will be interested in your advertising promotion, and they're gonna click on this advertisement and they're gonna land on your website or your funnel. And this is what we call paid advertising, because you pay to put content on the internet for people to click on and come to your website. And for me, there are no better than the other, and I think that in your business you should use both of them because like both of them, it's gonna give you even more traffic, and the more traffic you will have, the more clients you will have. So let's see the different kinds of organic traffic. I already walked through them, but you have like social medias like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And so the downside that I see on this is that you have to post each and every day constantly to get people to know who you are and like click on your link, because like as soon as you make a post on Facebook, then it's gonna go below the list of all of the posts in someone else's feed. Okay. And the second type is search engines, and this is the one that I personally like the most. So you can create like a blog post or a YouTube video, and this video can rank in Google. And basically, when someone is typing and when someone is searching for your a problem to their solution, they're gonna find you as someone that can solve their problem, and they basically click on your website and watch your videos and go inside of your funnel. And so the third organic traffic that I've added right there is email marketing, because as soon as you recover an email from someone, you want to actually follow up with them, because we have a saying in marketing telling like the fortune is in the follow-up, and if you don't send emails on a daily basis to your list, then you are not taking advantage of your list enough. And by sending email, I don't mean to be spammy or anything. Just send, like if you create a new blog post, just send an email telling, I created a new blog post, I created a new video, I created a new post on Facebook, follow me on Facebook. add value to them, and but we're gonna get into more details in some other more trainings. All right. And paid traffic, as I said, it's putting an advertisement promotion on Facebook, Twitter, Google, whatever platform you are the most comfortable paying to attract your ideal customers. Now, the last thing that I want to leave you with is that there are only 3 ways to grow a business. The first one is to always get more customers. Every business needs always more customers, and there is no secret that if you want to scale, you need more customers. But when you have like a certain amount of customers, there are 2 other ways to grow your business. And the first one is to get people to pay more often. So you can create your own membership where every month people have to pay you for your time, for resources that you give them, for like whatever, or you can promote them as an affiliate, some other softwares of other people's membership or something. And so like as long as these people are paying for this software or these memberships, then you're gonna receive a commission on a monthly basis. And this is another way to grow your business, to get more customers and having these customers to pay you more often every month. And the third way to grow your business is to actually have your customers to pay more expensive products. And this is why we focus on high ticket affiliate marketing, because this is the way you actually monetize your business. This is the way you make a profit. This is how you can reinvest some money into Facebook ads, into Google ads, into paid traffic to grow your business exponentially. And if your business is not profitable, if you can't pay for to acquire a new customer, then you don't have a business, you just have a job. If you have to constantly be in your business for it to run, you don't have a business, you have a job. So that's it for this video, guys. You will find a link down below to join the Freedom Warriors Facebook group. Join us over. We have some more amazing step-by-step trainings where I show you how to build the freedom formula, the freedom funnel, the products that I'm personally promoting, and I show you all the behind the scenes of my entire business. And remember, like, getting the right information, the right tools, the right skills, and surrounding yourself with the right people will get you faster to where you want to go. So see you in the Freedom Warriors group. That's it for today. I will talk to you soon. Peace.